On today's quick tips, how to remove your bikini top or safari top. Now the safari top is going to go with the 6-point cages. The only difference is it's going to be a little bit longer. It's going to have some more snaps. So first off, we're going to start by disconnecting the snaps back here on the roll cage. It's easiest if you can take your hand and rotate a little bit and put some tension up here to relieve the tension on the snaps. Repeat the same process with these 5 snaps. Now that that's undone, this is handy if you have 2 people, but it's obviously not necessary. What we're going to do is fold the top forward and try and fold it forward again. Doesn't have to be precise, you're just trying to give it a little structural integrity because you have this channel along the front and you're going to want to take it, lean it forward, and then pull evenly. You're going to try and get this to slide out of the channel just like this. And that's it. Safari top removed.